Hello everyone, welcome to Yogi, the math tutor. I am your Naresan. Now I am going to explain about the properties of logarithms. Here the first property, the product rule. The product rule states that it is the theorem they given. So let a, x and y be positive real numbers with a is not equal to 1. Then log xy to the base a is equal to log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. That is, the logarithm of a product is the sum of the logarithms. So, to prove this theorem, first we need to take log x to the base a is equal to m, and we need to take log y to the base a, which is equal to n. This is a logarithm form. So we can how we can write the logarithm form to the exponential form? Look at here, log of n to the base a, which is equal to x. So we are going to convert this logarithm form to the exponential form. So we can write a to the power of x, which is equal to n. So from this state, by using this exponential form to the logarithm form, we can convert them a to the power of m, which is equal to x, and here we will get a to the power of n, which is equal to y. Now multiply x and y, then we will get x into y, which is equal to multiply this a to the power of m into a to the power of n. Why? Because the x is equal to a to the power of m and y is equal to a to the power of n. So from right side we will get a to the power of m plus n. Why? Because we are going to use the law of exponent, that is a power m into a power n, which is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Now left side we have x1. Here we can see it is in the form of exponential form, that is a power x is equal to n. Now we are going to convert to the logarithm form. So you will get a log of xy to the base a, which is equal to m plus n. Now we converted this exponential form to the logarithm form. Now substitute the m and n value here. So we will get a log xy to the base a. Here m is nothing but log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. So hence proved. Now here we will go with try this page number 22. We know that log 1 lakh to the base 10, which is equal to 5. Show that you get the same answer by writing 1 lakh is equal to 1000 into 100 and then use the product rule to verify the answer. So now here we are going to apply the product rule, that is log of xy to the base a is equal to log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. Now here given 1 lakh, which is equal to 1000 into 100. Now apply the log to the logarithm of base 10 to the base both sides, that is logarithm base 10 to the both sides. Then you will get a log 1 lakh to the base 10, which is equal to log 1000 to the base 10 into 100. So we are applying the logarithm for the LHS and RHS. Now we can say here you will get m into n. So now what is an identity property here? Log of x to the base a plus log y to the base a, which is equal to log of xy to the base a. So now we are going to convert xy in the form of a and y. I mean, we are going to split the term, that is log 1000 to the base 10 plus we can write log 100 to the base 10. So now I divided it. This is in the form of x into y, so I written x plus y. Left side we have log 1 lakh to the base 10. Now we can simplify here. Log of 1000 you can write 10 to the power of cube and base 10 plus 10 square means log 10 square to the base 10. Now here we can apply the one more property. So we are with the power to the front side, which is equal to 3 log 10 to the base 10 plus 2 log 10 to the base 10. So what is the formula here we are applied? Log of x to the power of n to the base a, which is equal to n into log x to the base a. So means we will get the power to the front side. So now we can simplify the value. So 3 into the value of log 10 to the base 1 is equal to 1 plus 2 into log 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1. Because log of a to the base a is equal to 1, which is equal to 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. Therefore log 1 lakh to the base 10, which is equal to 5. Next to do this, page number 22. So here express the logarithms of the following as the sum of the logarithms. That the first one is 35 into 46, second question 235 into 437, and third one is 2437 into 3568. So we are going to express as the sum of the logarithms. So what are the logarithm formula? Log xy, which is equal to log x plus log y. Now we can use this formula property and we can simplify. The first one is 35 into 46 is nothing but x into y. So we will get log 35 into 46, which is equal to log 35 plus log 46. And here we can observe I did not return base here, so you can assume as is a base 10. Why? Because it is in a common logarithm. If the logarithm does not have the base, you should assume as a base as 10. So it is a common logarithm. So now the second one is we will get 235 into 437. You can write as log of 235 into 437. Then you can apply the arithmetic same formula. So log of 235 plus log of 437. Next, third question, 2437 into 3568. So we can write as log of 2437 into 3568. X into y, we can write x plus y. So log of 2437 plus log of 3568. So I expressed it as the sum of the logarithms. Thank you for watching my video and please subscribe.